Dear students, today we are going to revise the MCQs of chapter number 5, that is plant around us. In this chapter, we have read about the different types of plants depending upon the size of it. So we have studied about the big tall trees, then you are having the bushy ones, shrubs, and then you are having herbs, you are having the creepers and the climber. And also we have studied about the different uses of the plants. So when you are going before attempting MCQ, what you have to do? You have to learn your chapter, exercise and question answer thoroughly, and then only you can solve this MCQs easily. The first one is here, it is written as dash is a shrub. So from this four option you have to tell which one is the shrub. Is it mango? No, mango is a tree. Is it people? No, again people is a tree. So your answer is your rose. What is rose? Rose is a shrub, that is small bushy plants. Then you are having the option all of the above. As I told again earlier, that is all of the above means your all the three options are answered. So your all the three options are answered? No. Then we are coming on to the second one. Thick and brown woody stem. Thick and brown woody stem is called as leaf. No, the stem is not called a leaf. Then it is flower. Again, no. Fruit. Again, it is no. Then it is trunk. The thick woody brown stem is called as your trunk. So you will put a tick mark on trunk. Then you are having the next statement that P is a. So what kind of plant P is a? Is it a climber? Climber means the plant which takes supports of which take external support of either some thing or some plant. They are called as climber, and these are the herbs, that is the small plants, shrub, small bushy plants, and it is creeper, that means the plants which creep along the ground. So P is your climber, so you will put a tick mark on climber. Now we are attempting some more options. So here, your next one, that is the fourth one, is dash grows in desert. Okay, so you have to name the plant which grows in desert. The first one I have written it as rose. Then I have written it as one as China rose. C1 is your lotus, and the D1 is your cactus. So dash grows in desert. So dash grows in desert. Desert means the area where there is sandy part, okay, and there is less water. So does a rose grows in a desert? No. China rose? Again no. Then it is lotus. Lotus grows in water. Then you are having the D1 is as cactus. The cactus grows in desert. So you put a tick mark on cactus. Now you are having the next one it as fifth one, cooking oil. Cooking oil is obtained from I am giving again the four options. The first one, suppose I have given as sweet. C1, B1, suppose I have given you as your carrot. Then C1 as your groundnut. It is your groundnuts, and the D1 is both A and P. So cooking oil, the oil which is used to cook food, is obtained from. Is it obtained from wheat? No. From wheat we get the flour. Then you are having carrot. Carrot is a vegetable, so you do not get the cooking oil from it. Then it is your groundnut. So yes, we get our cooking oil from groundnut also. So you put a tick mark here that this one is the groundnut, and D, that is both A and B. So your both A and B options are correct. No, both A and B options are not correct. Then we are coming on to the next question, that is sixth question. In your sixth question, I've given you as rubber is obtained from. Rubber is obtained from, first I've said as flower, B1 I've said as fruit, then C1 I've said as leaves, and the D1 is the latex. So your rubber is obtained from. So rubber is obtained from flower? No. Is it obtained from fruit? Again no. Leaves? No. It is obtained from the latex of the rubber plant. The latex is the milky thing which come out from the trunk of the rubber plant. So your rubber is obtained from the latex of the rubber plant. So students, I am telling you again and again, read the statement properly, read the options properly, match it with your statement and take the correct one. Now we are going to do some more MCQs here. That is our seventh one. Plants are also called as, the first one is red friends, blue friends, then C1 is your green friends, and the D option I have written is here both A and B. So here your plants are called as your red friends? No. Is it blue friends? No. Is it green friends? Yes, the plants are green in color, so they are also called as your green friends. We will put a tick mark on it. Now we are coming on to the next question. In your next question, we are taking some questions from exercise also. Suppose I have taken a question here that dash is a example of aquatic plant. I have given you the option as your rose, B is banana, C1 I have given you as suppose water lily, and D1 is your both A and B. So again we are coming, dash is an example of aquatic plant. So what are aquatic plants? The plants which grow in water is called as the aquatic plant. So does the rose grows in water? No, rose does not grow in water. Then you are having banana. Banana grows in water? No. Then you are having the third option, it is water lily. So yes, water lily grows in water. It is an aquatic plant. So you put a correct option here. Both A and B? No, the answer is not both A and B. Your answer is water lily. When such thing is coming, you can have the other option also, like water lily. With water lily, instead of water lily, you can have the lotus also. So this is your aquatic plant. So students, if you want to solve your MCQs in a good manner, what you have to do? Revise your exercise properly, revise your chapter properly, read out all the question answers given, and then try to solve the MCQs. You can also form your own MCQs and solve it out. So if you are giving a good practice of reading everything and solving the MCQs, you will easily solve your paper. I hope you might have understood the revision.